One of the constant concerns of families is choosing a suitable detergent for home hygiene. Which detergent can have high cleaning power and less damage to health? Which detergent can remove grease and dirt from different surfaces? Most detergents contain toxic gases or unpleasant odors. Some detergents may also cause skin allergies or severe headaches. We want to introduce you to a new product that is a revolution in cleanliness. New Cleaning Spray, a special product in Ladomira. High cleaning power. No damage to the surface. Without causing skin sensitivity. No smell and toxic gases. Creating a wonderful shine. Can be ordered on the Ladomira business website.
Ladomira. A bridge for innovation to global commercial.